Hello everyone, Tuts back with another video. So today I'm gonna share with you a app review. It's Microsoft Loop. Okay, so Microsoft recently released an app. It's called Microsoft Loop. So we'll check about this app. Okay, so here you can see the size of the app, 38 megabyte. So here you can see the option 38 megabyte. Microsoft Loop early access, it means it recently released, that's why it's you are seeing early access. And 10k, it means 10,000 people already downloaded this app. And if you go to about this app, then you'll see that think, plan and create together. So this is the team based software or application. Personal accounts can be used with Loop Preview for Android 8. So they're updating day by day. So it's when you click here, then here you can see a release on 21 2013. So a release on March 21 2013. So few days ago it's released, and it's a really popular app for team working. And if you want to read, then you can read here, and many things here like what's new, add comments and reaction to stay in sync and drive consensus, use notification effortless, catch up with what matters. So basically it is like if you are using a work or a school account, your IT administrator will need to first authorize Loop before you can experience the preview. Personal accounts can be used with Loop Preview for Android 8, but we are working hard to add support for them. So there, it's under developing. This app is developing. So it's few days ago released. So no ratings yet. Okay, so maybe they're working, and I will create more video how to use this application in your smartphone. So today is no more friend, and thank you for watching this video.